302, get me additional.
You lost your job. Yo. You lost your job. You just lost your job.
Get out of the vehicle.
Yo.
Get out of the vehicle. 302, get me additional now.
Yo, this is wild.
Get out of the car.
You just lost your job.
Get out.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the San Joaquin Valley Transparency channel. I would like to thank you all once again for tuning in. Today we've got one of the craziest videos we've highlighted on this channel in a very long time. This particular video is brought to us by the way of this channel here, who goes by the name of Jefe. In this video, these two gentlemen are sitting in a parking lot of what it appears to be a gas station when they are approached by some very aggressive officers from the Portsmouth, New Hampshire Police Department. The video immediately starts out with them attempting to rip this man out of the driver's seat of this vehicle. This whole situation goes on for about 20 minutes before it is cut off, and throughout this entire time, folks, not one of these officers can name one legitimate reason this man was even pulled over for. I want you guys to go and check this out. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
Yeah. Stop. Leave him alone.
I did nothing wrong.
Get fucking tased.
I don't
can't
give
pull
a
people
fuck.
over.
I did nothing
Get
wrong.
out of the vehicle now. Get out.
Tase him.
Get out.
Tase him.
Get out of the
Yo, you guys are losing your job.
Get out. Put your hands around.
You are losing your job.
Last warning.
No.
Hey,
Turn around.
call your
You're gonna be tased.
supervisor.
Turn around. You're gonna get tased.
listen, motherfucker.
Turn around.
You have no reason to pull me
Turn
over.
around.
No.
No, I
Turn
did.
around.
You recording it?
Everything.
I did
Turn
not. No,
around.
You
I did
fucking
nothing wrong.
retards.
Turn around.
You can't do
can't.
that.
I have reasonable
'Cause-
suspicion to
you
stop
Of
don't.
what?
the vehicle.
Of what?
my fucking
No, you
phone.
don't.
Turn around.
No, you don't.
No, dude.
Turn
No, you
around.
don't. You can't
Listen,
pull
man,
people
I
over
didn't
like
break the
this.
law.
Turn around. I explained to you.
got
I have
video?
reasonable
No,
suspicion.
you're losing.
You want
Hey,
a body cam?
name and badge number,
Oh,
please.
no body
Both
cam.
of you.
No
Hey,
body cam.
Turn around.
you're losing your
Badge
job.
number.
You're under arrest. Turn
For
around.
what? For what?
For what?
Turn around.
For
Give him a
what?
reason.
No. For what?
Resisting.
Resisting what?
No, you ripped me out of my car for no
Turn around.
reason.
Turn around. Get out. Turn around.
You cannot. No, you can't do this, dude. This is fucking wild, bro. This is wild.
Turn around.
Yo.
I'll give it to you.
Turn around.
He asked me about it.
You're gonna be detained now, and we can talk about it. But turn around.
No, you're not.
Turn
around.
Let your fucking hands go.
Turn around.
Don't fucking.
Yo.
I'm not a criminal, motherfucker.
Turn around.
Let him go.
Hey.
Let him go.
Shut up. You asked my
Let
ID.
him go.
I
Back the
did
fuck
nothing
up.
wrong,
Turn around.
motherfucker.
Let him go.
Around.
No, you know you're wrong. You're not
around.
getting. Give him a reason. Give him a reason. You can't.
Give me
Turn
your
around.
fucking
You are
reason.
detained.
You can't arrest him for nothing, dude.
did
You're
nothing
fucking
wrong.
retarded.
Fucking
I'll give him my fucking ID.
Turn around.
I
Tase
did
him.
nothing wrong,
Hey,
motherfucker.
tase him. You're losing your job. Tase him. Tase him. You're losing your job.
Back the fuck up.
You're losing your job.
Back up.
You fucked up.
Get out.
You fucked
Get
up.
out. Get on the fucking ground. Fucking 302, get me additional.
You lost your job. Yo,
Fuck you.
you lost your job. You just lost your job. You
Get out of the vehicle.
Yo,
Get out of the vehicle. 302, get me additional now.
yo, this is wild.
Get out of the car.
You just lost your job.
Get out of the car.
I got no weapons.
You just lost.
Get out of
Yo,
the car.
this is wild.
302, I need additional.
For what?
Get
What
out
are the
of the
charges?
vehicle.
What did I do wrong?
Resisting arrest. Get out of the
You
vehicle.
can't arrest somebody for no reason.
what?
This is the
What about
go.
arresting
Get out of
for?
the vehicle
Yo,
now.
name and badge number, please.
Get
Name
out
and
of
badge
the
number.
vehicle.
Name and badge number.
Get
Give
out of the
something.
vehicle right now.
You can't pull people over for no fucking
Get
reason.
out of the vehicle. I did nothing wrong.
You guys are losing your
Get
job.
out of the vehicle.
You are getting sued.
Get out of the vehicle. I will talk to you, but get out of the vehicle
Do
now.
not fucking arrest
Don't
me.
get out of the vehicle now.
Leave him alone.
Get out of the vehicle.
He's on my fucking arm.
Leave him alone.
He's on my fucking arm, bro.
Get out of the
Let go.
Hale.
Yo, look at you guys.
So you're gonna be pepper sprayed.
Oh, come on.
Did you?
Get out of the car.
Yo, you're.
Get out. Let it go. Get out.
You guys are losing your jobs.
Walk to the front.
You're getting sued and losing your jobs. I am.
I don't have to.
Yes, you do.
No, he doesn't.
I am trying to, but you're not listening.
No, you are way out of line, bro. Way out of line.
What did I do wrong, bro?
Not a goddamn thing, bro. They're fucked.
Don't cuff me, bro.
You guys are fucked.
Stop moving. You're going in cuffs, stop, and we
I'm
can
gonna
talk.
to you man to man.
That's fine. You're
Then
going in
stand
cuffs.
here and look at me.
I am.
Then don't cuff me.
Get in the cuffs now.
You guys are. You guys
I
are.
don't want to spray you.
What the fuck, bro?
Yo, you guys are fucked.
Yeah, you guys are totally
I hope you guys
Two
have a good
tasers.
lawyer.
Look at this shit, bro.
Yeah.
For
No.
what?
They're done. Don't worry about it, Jeff.
For what, bro?
Don't worry about it.
Haha.
Don't worry about it.
You motherfuckers had no reason
Stop
to pull me
fucking
over.
fighting.
It
None.
don't matter where the fuck I was.
No. You guys are fucked.
Look at this shit.
You guys are
SWAT team's coming in.
Are so fucked.
You recording it, bro?
Yeah.
Hey, you ain't got fucking 2 sets of cuffs, Darren. Hey, you wanna hit me?
You guys to back the fuck off.
You got me, man. Just hit the truck. Hey! Fucking push on me for, bro. I'm not doing a fucking thing.
You can't give.
You guys retarded?
What are you arresting him for?
Yeah, back off, bro. You're gonna be detained. Hell, what the fuck they do? Hey, dude!
What?
I'm not doing a fucking
Resisting
thing.
what?
Dude, I'm standing
This
here.
guy-
You fucking savages.
Listen,
I'm not doing a fucking thing.
you cannot pull someone over for no reason,
They got 2 sets of
rip
cuffs.
him out of his vehicle with no reason.
Back up or you're gonna get detained.
I'm
Step
right-
back to the concrete right now.
No, fuck you.
Back
I'm
up,
on
do
public
this.
property.
I'm giving you a left order. Step back to the grass.
You're not my fuck. What the fuck?
Let it back.
Dude, I will. You
Let
guys
it
are fighting me.
Yo,
I'm a gentleman. Stop.
we need a supervisor here now. Yeah,
Look at
we
this
need him
shit,
here now.
Darren.
These guys are losing their
Darren.
jobs, bro.
Somebody
No
help
joke.
me.
Yo,
I'm not fighting these motherfuckers.
leave him alone. Dude, leave him
I'm not
alone.
fighting you guys.
Back up.
What the fuck you guys
Back up.
doing?
Dude, these guys
Back
are
up.
fucked, bro.
Okay, I don't know what's going on. Back up.
Dude, fucked.
Back
I
up.
fucking told you.
These cops are, I'm telling you right now, both of them are losing their jobs.
Back up.
I'm not, no joke, bro.
What the fuck, Darren?
This is, dude,
I didn't do anything.
yo,
Jesus fucking Christ. My dad's a retired Hampshire State Trooper. I'm a gentleman.
yo,
What the fuck is the problem?
you guys are
I
fucked.
am calm. I want
You're
to be a
fucked.
gentleman. We'll figure that out in a second. Can I go in? What are you gonna do, bro? No, it's fucking retarded.
Yeah,
I'm an
you're,
American citizen.
you guys are done.
I go anywhere the fuck I want to go.
You're done.
This is a major problem we have with cops nowadays all throughout the nation. Well, a few major problems to point out. When cops feel like they have presumed authority, that turns into unbridled power. Thus, we have situations like this happen from time to time again, if not every day somewhere in the United States. Only God knows what is and what isn't documented, what happens around this world and what happens out there on the streets with these cops. It seems like when many people take up the job to become cops, they are instilled with this godlike complex that makes them believe they can do whatever they want to the people, all the while being protected by so many branches of within the government, such as qualified immunity, police unions, as well as internal investigations. If one of our officers have done something wrong, we will take it upon ourselves to investigate ourselves. What kind of sense does that make, folks? When they violently shoot an innocent person, they are allowed to say how much in fear for their lives were, thus getting away off qualified immunity. If you were to ask what I think about police, folks, I don't think all cops are bad, but I do believe they are one of the highest paid gangs in the world.
Why you busting my balls? What do you want? You think I had drugs? No.
Complied to
listen.
what?
I had no reason to get pulled
He
over.
pulled us
bud.
over for no
None.
reason and said,
None.
oh, because you were driving around, I'm pulling you over. That's illegal. You can't do that. Give me your ID. No, I don't have to. You can't pull us over for no fucking reason. And he knows it. You got body cam on?
No. Oh.
None of you guys have body cam on. For what? Yo.
Relax, relax, dude.
No, this is fucked up.
Okay, I
This
just
is
got here,
really
dude.
fucked
Relax,
up.
okay?
Who's the supervisor? All right, because this is beyond fucked up.
Don't force me. Don't force me. So,
This is wild. Both of them are losing their jobs.
You got any idea on you?
I do. Why do you need it? What did I do? What did I do?
You're detained as part of this investigation.
For what?
As I told you, you're detained as part of this investigation. Trying to determine that.
What investigation?
Like a traffic stop.
What was the traffic stop for?
Reasonable suspicion.
Of
you
what?
guys are prowling, lurking.
Lurking.
Lurking and prowling.
Lurking is
businesses.
lurking is illegal.
It is reasonable suspicion for a traffic stop.
Driving around is illegal.
Okay.
Is it? Is driving around illegal?
No, but it depends.
Okay.
What manner.
So you can't. No. No.
Let me talk.
Okay.
You asked the question, right?
Yes.
So
Driving
like-
around illegal.
So I don't know what you guys are doing. I'm saying if you're at a closed business or something of that sort,
What does that matter?
prowling on the property. If you have no reason to make business or go into the store if it's after hours, let's say, and you're prowling around a building, it's reasonable suspicion for them to go ID you. I don't
No,
know.
it's not.
I don't know what. You just asked me the question. I gave you an answer.
Yes,
It
and I'm
is.
telling you it's not.
Okay. Do your research later, but in this instance, I'm just saying that's an example. I don't know what you guys are doing tonight.
No, you cannot pull someone over for no reason. Okay,
Reasonable
and then
suspicion and
rip
probable
them.
cause.
What's the reasonable suspicion?
do
Were
your
we
research.
swerving? Were we speeding? Did we go through a red light? None of it.
Listen.
Nothing.
Relax. Dude, I wasn't
No,
here.
he just got tased twice for no reason.
Okay, well, I'm sure there was a reason.
There was no reason.
Don't get tased
He
for no-
ripped him out of the fucking car for no reason.
Dude, chill. Right?
No, this is absurd.
Okay.
This
You
is
can
the
talk-
craziest shit I've ever
Dude,
seen,
you can
dude.
talk to
This is shit
supervisor,
you
man.
see online. What happened tonight is literally what you see online. People get
And you got your
abused.
video of it, so you're good.
This is fucking wild.
Yeah, I don't know what it Would you guys get? What was your first name?
Darren.
So, did you guys get pulled over in Portsmouth and continue into Newington? or
No,
you
we
guys
were right
stop
here.
it? Okay.
He threw his blues on right there.
So you guys just
And we
here?
pulled into here.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Does that answer your question?
Nothing.
So they initiated a traffic stop.
Nothing, Jeff.
Fucking thing wrong.
Nope.
No, it's bullshit. It's
Yeah.
America, motherfucker.
They fucked up.
I get to do what I want. You got no reason to pull me over, Clyde.
I'm Darren. I know the other officer already asked if you don't want to provide ID.
No, why do I have to? Give me a reason why he pulled us over.
I wasn't here. I don't know.
So talk to him. Give us a reason why you pulled us over, and I'll give you everything you want. You had nothing. You can't just pull people over for no fucking reason, rip them out of the car and tase them. That shit don't. No. Yeah. No. Exactly. Exactly.
So Darren, I assume he was driving.
Yep.
Darren, you recording? You can't tell them they're arrested for.
Yeah, because they don't have a reason. Resisting arrest for what? You can't arrest people for no reason. You guys are gonna stand by and let this shit happen?
Again, dude, there's 5 guys already over there. I'm not going to go butt my head in. Again, you can talk to the supervisor.
No, this is why. How can you just let this shit happen? He can't give him a reason, and he's gonna arrest him, and you're gonna let it happen?
He's got reason. He's up to
He doesn't have a reason. He doesn't have a reason. You guys are idiots, dude. Fucking idiots. No, you don't.
Twice for no fucking motherfucking reason. What are the charges? No, because this is fucking bullshit. We're Americans. You did nothing wrong. You have no fucking reason. You have no fucking reason to pull me over. Hear me? Fucking bullshit. Don't do this fucking. What the fuck? How many more cops are in here?
Hey,
Fucking crazy.
relax.
No, this is bullshit.
I
bro.
know, but relax. Just the same.
Cartridges off the ground? Yep. Hi, so you were a passenger in the car?
Yeah.
All right, my name's Sergeant Max Weber. So that being said, just like I was just speaking to that officer, you don't want to give a statement about what's going on or anything like that?
Yeah, I mean, Why is he in the police car right now?
All right, so I'm going to start off
Can
with
you give me
this.
that?
I have no idea because I wasn't here. I was inside
That
the
doesn't
police.
work.
Hold
You
on.
should know now,
Listen,
right?
Listen, I don't have all the information. What I know is he's
Why
in
not?
custody for resisting arrest.
For what?
I don't know. So
You should know that. Are you his supervisor?
listen, I can't get the full rundown in being here for like 2 minutes. I'm working through it. But what
Yo.
I'm saying is he's under arrest, and we're going to go back and figure out what's going on. I'm asking you if you'd like
That
to
dude's
provide
out of
it.
line.
I'm asking
That's all
you
I'm
if
telling
you'd
you.
like to provide
He is out of
a
line.
statement or any contact information.
A statement for what?
Well, what happened from your point of view?
We got pulled over for no reason.
Okay.
We asked him why.
Okay.
Couldn't give us a reason.
Okay.
Suspicion. You're driving around.
Okay.
I can't drive.
Okay. So then what?
So he asked for his ID, and I said, no. Don't do it. For what? Give us a reason. Give us something. You can't just pull people over for no reason.
Okay.
And he fucking ripped the door open and ripped him out of the truck, out of the car.
Okay.
And then said he's resisting arrest. For what? You still haven't given the guy a reason.
Okay.
What do you mean okay? That's okay with you? As a person,
I'm listening to
you
what you're
have
saying.
morals, right?
Listen, I'm not commenting or giving you my opinion on anything because I wasn't here. I don't know. But I'm listening to what you're saying right now.
I got nothing to say.
Okay, that's fine.
I got nothing to say. Yeah, good job, guys. Thanks, State Police. This is fucking crazy, dude.
No, because it's reasonable suspicion. You don't need like probable cause.
Yeah, you do. What do you mean? You can't just pull people over for no reason. It doesn't work that way.
Alright folks, I definitely want you all to let me know what you think about this one in the comment section down below. This right here was a huge violation of this man's First and Fourth Amendment rights. This is about as bad as policing could get, completely bypassing this man's rights while violently threatening him with a taser. I have to say this man's efforts to avoid this arrest was quite astounding to me, to say the least. He tried his absolute best. For those of you who are not up to date on the First and Fourth Amendment rights of the Constitution of the United States, the First Amendment protects your rights to freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and the freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. If you guys are not aware of what your Fourth Amendment rights are, the Fourth Amendment keeps you in protection of your person, papers, and effects. Remember, folks, no matter where you are in this world, if you don't know your rights, you do not have any rights. As always, folks, the original video, as well as the channel links, will be down below in the description, as well as in the comments. I would like to thank all you ladies and gentlemen for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
You are not subscribed. Do it now or get off YouTube, bitches.